na yan.
Okay.
Sino ba yung mga nagkamali? Imbestigahan natin and allow them to bring their evidences in court. Now, the IBP has already joined this cause.
Okay.
They are volunteering themselves to prosecute all.
Okay.
The PICPA, the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, has already joined this cause. They are waiting for COA to ask them to help them because it
Okay.
is COA's mandate. So really, it's government's turn to invite these people, private individuals, to help them in their work.
Okay. Well, when we return, we're going to ask our guest, are we joining the call for people power, EDSA 2, everyone resign, or everyone step down? Irregardless of the color, are we joining all the colors? This is a rainbow coalition. Sa pagbabalik po ng Republika.